Let's talk about some really cool lock screen tips. So go in settings, go in lock screen, and here you will see this option called extend unlock. You can turn this feature on, and what it will do is that as long as the phone detects that it's on your body, that it's with you, it's in one of the trusted places like in your home or in your work or in your car, or it's connected to a trusted device like your Galaxy Watch or your Buds or your tablet or something like that, the phone will stay unlocked. But as soon as the phone detects that none of these conditions are fulfilled, it will lock itself. Now, another really important feature that I want to show you here is in secure lock settings. Go in here, and here you will see if you want to make your patterns visible. You have a lot of other settings options here, but I want to talk about this option here, show lockdown option. So what this is, it is a power button option that turns off extend unlock, biometrics unlock, and notifications on the lock screen. So if you turn this feature on and you tap and hold the power button, you will see this lockdown mode. What this will do is that it will turn off the extend unlock. If you don't have extend unlock turned on, what it will do is that it will disable the biometrics option. So if I tap on it, it will lock the display, and now I don't have the fingerprint option. I have to put in the pattern, or if you have selected pin, you'll have to put in the pin or password. Next up, we have always on display on this phone. So here you can go in always on display, and here one really cool thing that I want to talk about is an iPhone-esque feature that they have added here, where if you turn this feature on, it will show you your wallpaper even in always on display mode. So if I turn this off, right now this is my always on display. And then finally we have widgets here, so you can select different widgets to show up in your lock screen. So you can select music, alarm, your today's schedule, weather, routines, digital well-being, smart things, Galaxy Buds Pro Manager, and voice recorder. So if you lock the screen, tap on it, it will show you these widgets and you can see them on the lock screen.